Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video and it's going to be with my K-pop letters. I recently moved and I received all of these letters in my new address. I still have to get my other ones that are in my old address back where I used to live. But for now, I'm going to do an unboxing on these. I received them and I'm really excited. I received it from Kathleen, from Nam, and from Shukyan. And I'm really excited. I had to put tape on them because they have each other's address. I don't know if it's like I did a good job covering all of them. But yeah, let's just get started. First, we're going to start with Kathleen. And I really love like the little details she puts. I love the way she spelled my name. Like the detailed. Yes. Anyways, this is going to be the rough part because they really outdid themselves. They like really like to decorate them. And I hate like messing up their decoration. Sometimes I just want to like cut it like from here, but then I feel bad. So let me try to find a way to open this the most beautiful way, which I think is not gonna happen. Nope. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. Dang it. There you go. Okay, this one is inside. Oh my gosh. Is there anything there? Nope, this is it. Okay, there you go. The starters. Out of these beautiful stickers. And a new washi she got. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I really like that. Should I open it? Let's open it. I know I'm pretty sure you guys are eager to see what I got. So, let's see. I really love these really cute stickers. Like, I have a weakness. We have these two. Let me focus. There you go. And then this puppy one. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it's like cherry blossoms. And then more cherry blossoms. Oh my gosh, yes. If you guys don't know, I love cherry blossoms. By the way, I will not be replying to any of these letters on video. I'm going to do it on the side, I guess you can say. In case you guys want to see a video, me replying to any of my pen pal letters, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, the last one, I can't seem to get it. It's a little bear. And he's like wondering what's going on. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love it. And then the washi tape, it's a plus. By the way, I had like a Walmart run and I got a lot of new washi tape, so they'll be receiving that. These are so cute because like, I don't know if this one is like that, but the other one that I received, I think from her, they have like a kind of like a, how do you say, it's like a, oh my gosh, that last one I received had sort of like this thing, and then you put it in a certain way and it makes it seem like it's another thing on it. I don't know how to explain it. It's amazing. I really like it. This is what she sent me. It's a little llama, I believe. Super cute. And then I just received this one. Can't forget the photo cards, and it's my boys Jungkook and B. That's a summer pack picture. And then this one is B. I'm sorry if I'm like putting it up. It's just that I think it's over here and it's not. It's so cute. And then I received these. Some things like sticking out with a knife sticking out. And then I believe it's some quick questions and I believe answers that I asked her last time. And this is her letter, which I'm only gonna show up to there because it's private. And I like my privacy sometimes. So this is it for my friend Kathleen, thank you so much for everything you sent. I really, really, really appreciate it. We're gonna put it over here on the side because I'm gonna open another pen-pal letter. So let's go. Next, it's my girl Shukyan, which she's such a lovely person. I love sending letters to her. We have like super good talks, and overall she's like amazing. She's super cute, and she draws also, which is like whoa. I mean, I draw a little bit, but not as much. Okay, but I ripped. Okay, there you go. I saved it. A little decoration of washi tape. Super cute. And I've always wondered where I can get these. If you guys know where I can get them, leave them in the comments below. I seriously want some of these envelopes. Okay, that's that. Oh, I love the kind of like brown woodish type of feel that this has. It's super cute. The letter is in this one, and this envelope is another envelope. Ooh, yes, girl. Let's see. My letters here. I don't think anything else is in here. Like I said, I like my privacy. I'll save it for of this video because I want to. By the way, my nails look super ratchet. Here, I believe it's a free notepad thing that I can use for my pen pals. Thank you so much. The washi tape's so cute. Oh my gosh, yes. I love this one. So cute. Thank you, Shukyan. And then over here, it's some questions and a playlist she left me. And yeah, I really love the colors, like the color coordination. It's really, really pretty. And yes, thank you, Shukyan. Thank you so much for everything you sent. And now there's nothing in here anymore. Oh wait, there is something here. I almost forgot it. Some stickers. She always sends me the best stickers in the world. They're super duper cute. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Oh, Nallely. They're so cute. I can't. Is that a well? Yes. Oh my gosh, they're the cutest stickers in the world. Lordy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much to all my pen pals. Seriously, you guys are the best. So yeah, this is it for Shukyan's letter and pen pal and stuff. We're gonna go on to the next one. So I'm gonna put everything back where it was, and then in detail, apart from the camera, I'll reply and answer all the questions they give me, or send the playlist. So thank you, Shukyan, for this amazing letter. Next and last, it's my girl Anam. She's from Houston, so we're like a couple of hours away. And then this one, oh my gosh, BTS, yes girl. If you guys are wondering why I'm talking this time, I just really feel like I hardly ever talk on video, or like I put something else, like how do you say, I like voice over my voice. I don't really want to mess this up, so I'm just gonna go over it. By the way, I love this like blue and gold detail. It's a yes for me. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a hard time. Let me go look for some scissors, or hold on, let me try to do this really quick with a knife or something. Hold on. Okay, now it's there, and let me see. There you go. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. That's it. I really love the tape. I think I'm gonna save it for later, but thank you. Right here, I believe it's, oh, it's so cute. It doesn't have like something that it is, so I'm just gonna open it. It might be my photo cards. Yep, yes it is. But there's like a lot of stuff in here. These like extras. There's nothing else in here. An OMG. She's so cute. Oh yes, so cute. I can't. Again, I'm so sorry. I'm putting it like over here and just so hard. She sent me so many. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Having a moment here, guys. Yes. Burn on. Yes. Enough. You're my girl. Oh my gosh. I love you. Thank you so much. Next, it's gonna be this little bag, which I don't know what's in here. And yet again, I love the detailed up brown baggies. Or like bags at all. Over here, it's gonna be all of the stickers, I believe. And this one, it's a little motorcycle, the moon, the washi tape. The yellow one is so cute. A dress, oh, like vintage looking. Yes, girl. Oh, they're so nice. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot say it enough. Okay. And then here, it's more sticky paper that I could use. Oh my gosh. Here it's her letter, which I am not going to share, of course. And then over here it's more cute stuff. Is the answers and questions she gave me. And is this one. This is the way it looks from the back. Here you go. From the front it looks like this. And then this one. What's that? Oh, you can take it out for now. Is it glued? Oh my gosh, what's going on? Okay, there you go. This one, I released a playlist. Oops. It's a playlist. All the songs she recommends me. And then this one, I think it's like extra paper that I can use. So guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you all so much to all my pen pals for sending me such cute stuff every single time. I am super duper grateful for everything you guys sent. This is the way it looks. I'm not gonna go like over it and stuff because it's gonna be the end of the video and it's super long, 13 minutes. I'm probably gonna speed it up and just leave the parts where I'm talking, which is now. So yeah, I hope you guys like it and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.